Thanks for stopping by tonight, guys. We're going to be making a whole chicken. We're going to inject that whole chicken with Heaven Made products. It's incredible injection. We're going to put some more seasonings on there as well. But y'all hang tight and I'll show y'all what we're going to do with that. Got a chimney of coals rolling here while I get this chicken prepped. We're going to be looking to cook around 265, 275 so we can get a nice skin on this chicken. Y'all hang tight and we'll get to seasoning it. Alright guys, we're going to start making that injection I was telling y'all about with the It's Incredible. And it's real simple. It's you'll see here in just a second. Just a stick of butter. There's half. The other half. Let that melt down for a second and I'll catch right back up with y'all. Hang tight. And to this butter we're going to add that injection package I showed you, the It's Incredible by Heaven Made product. Put it right on in the butter. Oh man, it smells great. And then all you got to do from here is add 12 ounces of water. We're going to let this sit here and simmer and mix together well. And alright, and now what we've done, now that it's mixed well, y'all can see in there it's good and combined. We just pulled it off the heat there and we're going to let it cool off and then we'll be able to use it in the injection. Welcome back guys. As you can see, a couple of the key ingredients for tonight. Bombshell Blonde Ale for the beer of choice, and some sliced up onions and cilantro, and some Amazin Cajun seasoning. And this is the It's Incredible injection. Let's get this chicken injected here. Alright, I'm going to finish injecting this chicken and I will be right back with y'all to season. Alright, we got this bird all injected with It's Incredible. And now to do some seasoning to it. Y'all saw earlier, we are rolling with Amazin Cajun Heaven Made products. Love Heaven Made products. Love the Cajun seasoning. Haven't ever tried the It's Incredible injection, so I'm excited to give that a shot. I think both of them are going to go great together. Man, look at that color. If y'all know me, you know I love Cajun, so Heaven Made Products has 3 different versions of their Cajun spice rub there. There's Amazin Cajun, Flamin' Cajun, and Blazing Cajun. And what we're going to do, you saw I had some cilantro chopped up. I'm going to put that in the cavity of the bird. Just like so. Along with a couple onions there. And then, dun 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 dun, Bombshell Blonde Ale. Like I said, we're going to be cooking this bird at about 265, 275 degrees. It's going to be a real good turnout. I can already see it. Here's one from my homies. And one more. It's going to be a good steam bath of flavor with that cilantro and those onions and the injection and that Heaven Made product. We're going to sprinkle some of that Heaven Made product, Amazin Cajun, in the beer and injection mix there. Alright, I'm going to get the other side seasoned up. Y'all hang tight and we'll get this put on. that's what we're looking like. Got the cilantro I got in there now, the onions chopped up. This bird is all seasoned up good. Y'all hang tight and I'm gonna get these coals on and we'll get cooking. Got these coals good and hot. Got a big old chunk of apple wood that we're gonna be using tonight. Man, I can't wait to give this chicken a try. Got this chicken on the smoker. Man, if y'all could smell this. Applewood, Cajun seasoning from Heaven Made Products, cilantro, onions, you know, craft blonde ale beer. I can't wait to give this a shot. I'm going to shut this down and we'll check on it in about 40 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. Hang tight. Welcome back, guys. We are right at almost the hour mark, and all we're gonna do, man, look at that. All we're gonna do is give our friend here a little bit to drink. Just gonna add a little bit more beer in here. Keep that going. Alright, we're going to shut her down and I will update y'all in about an hour more. Hang tight. We are about an hour and 30 minutes in and at about 108 degrees internal. We're looking for 165 before we pull it and let it rest for a little bit. Let's take a peek at it though. Oh yeah. It's coming along real good. Look at that skin getting crispy. Man, if y'all could smell that. Okay guys, we are rolling right around 250 degrees on the Oklahoma Joe. I would prefer around 275 for this chicken, so I went ahead and started some coals. And we're just going to toss those on to heat it up real quick. Yeah. We needed some coals for sure. Alright, y'all hang tight and I will update y'all. Alright guys, we are about 20 minutes until done. I was just going to give y'all a quick peek at it. Wow. Look at that. I just checked the internal temp about 20 minutes ago and it was at 130 internal. We're shooting for 165 like I told y'all. Let's get this shut down and finish it up. Hang tight. Welcome back guys. We are at the 2-hour mark and we're looking for an internal temperature of 165. Let's see where we're at. $150. So let's give this about 15 more minutes, rolling real good, and we should be done. Hang tight. Welcome back guys. We are at the finish point. We're done. Look at that chicken, looking amazing. We're gonna get this pulled off and I will update y'all shortly. Hang tight. Look at that. I went ahead and tossed some of the cilantro and onions on top of it, just for a little extra flavor. Y'all hang tight and we'll slice into this and give it a taste. thank y'all so much for stopping by. Let's give this a taste. Really excited to try this out. Golly, it's just tripping. Whoa. Needless to say, we're not lacking any juice. Wow. That It's Incredible from Heaven Made product. If y'all haven't tried Heaven Made product out, go give them a shot. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll see y'all next time.